Killing Floor 2 free download. Killing Floor 2 free download PC game setup and single direct link for Windows. It is an awesome action game. Killing Floor 2 PC game 2016 overview. Killing Floor 2 has been developed and published under the banner of Tripwire Interactive. This game was released on 18th of November, 2016. You can also download How to Survive 2 Dead Dynamite. Killing Floor 2 free download. In Killing Floor 2 you are going to descend onto continental Europe where there is an outbreak that has been caused by a failed experiment of porcine biotech. The aftermath of this failed experiment has spread all over Europe and is gaining an unstoppable momentum. The European Union has been paralyzed and the specimen clones have spread all over just after 1 month of the events of original Killing Floor. Civilization has been in disarray and communications have been halted. Europeans need to survive this catastrophic scenario. Killing Floor 2 supports single-player as well as 6-player co-op mode. This game has got an awesome line of weaponry where you have got assault rifles, historical guns and some other brutal weapons. Perk system has been expanded and has been reimagined. You can also download Owlboy.